Hi, I'm Chef Carl, and I'm going to tell you more about the benefits of bar and equipment. Let's take a look at how to achieve fast and efficient service with Talent Multifunction and Evofryer. We're going to use the Talent Multifunction in Frytop mode to prepare the fillet, and at the same time, the Evofryer to cook the potatoes. We'll set the Frytop function on the user-friendly touchscreen panel with preheating function, setting at the times and the temperatures to be controlled by the preparation probe option. After preheating, we're ready to put the meat in the hob. Then we insert the preparation probe, which is to control the right degrees while cooking. The large cooking area and the evenness of the heat on the hob allows a full load. In this way, Talent can meet any demand. In the meantime, we can start frying the potatoes with the Evofryer. We're using a preset recipe, calling it up from the menu. Controlling the cooking parameters means they stay the same and can be prepared from every fry, whoever is cooking in the kitchen. So, we start with the recipe, the basket is automatically lowered, and at the end of the frying, Evofryer brings out the product at just the right time. Let's now go back to cooking the meat on the Talent hob. Keeping the hot plate temperature constant allows the meat to be cooked evenly on both sides and to maintain the properties of the food intact. The results will be tender, succulent meat. As we take the potatoes out of the basket, a handy sound signal from the Talent tells us that the fillet is cooked, having reached the core temperature that you set. Cooking in the Talent pan also prevents splashes and keeps the worktop clean. This means the chef only has to concentrate on the end result. The dish is now ready to be served at the table. Prompt and efficient service with Talent and Evofryer. Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Carl.